Hey, what's up everybody? Dan Kraus here again. In today's video I'm going to be doing a PDR on this Fender, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to tackle this project. This guy just gave me the Fender. Obviously it's not on the car, so I had to figure out a way to hold it down. And I'm going to show you my state-of-the-art Fender stand. It's very fancy. Took me about 20 minutes to put this bad boy together. But now, I can actually fix this dent. So this is just a bunch of random wood I had laying around. And I just screwed it together. And then screwed it to the fender. And the fender is super solid. So don't have to worry about anything blowing out. And I put a little zip tie there because I'm going to be pushing up right here. And I might move to put a metal zip tie or something, but that's the idea. Anyways, get creative. That way you can do more repairs. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, so now that I got my fender all strapped down here, I'm gonna go over all the damage. So we'll turn my light on. This fender looks pretty good from this angle. And then we look at it here, not so good. We've got some pretty significant damage towards the lower section of the fender there. There's a bit of a dip in between the hole here for the marker light. So we'll take that out. There's another little ding right there. And then down the whole top of this thing has got all sorts of problems. Some weird outie there. Lots of damage. So, and then a real nasty buckle here. So we'll get this light out and get some tools out, get some heat on this, and we'll start by working out the worst spot there. All right, so you can see here I've got a real large tip on here, but it's got a plastic end on it, so it's got kind of a mushroomed end on it. And I'm gonna use this board right here as a leverage and just start pushing right up, basically right on the inside here, probably like right here. I'll start pushing, and then right here, and then slowly work towards the center and knock that down as I go. So it'll be kind of slow going because I don't want to crack the paint on this. And I would have liked to use a bridge and do a glue pull here, but the paint is really not in good shape, and there's some stress cracks along the if you look really close, there's some stress cracks in there. So if you ever see stress cracks, I wouldn't try to glue pull it because it's just going to pull that paint off of there, and then you're gonna have to touch it up or something. So anyways, that's the tool I'm gonna use, and that's how we're gonna approach it. All right, so I thought I would talk about this for just a quick second. Why am I starting with this damage before I would start, up here trying to clean this up? Well, I wouldn't start here because you can see the weak spot in the metal here is, right basically in the center of this hole right there. That's the weak spot. So because you've got, metal on either side here holding it, but nothing holding it this direction. So this area is going to be the weak spot of the metal. When this got hit and it punched that out and that pushed that metal out, that metal had to go somewhere. So it basically shrunk right here and buckled up here. So that's, if I started pushing here and I get this all straightened out, it's going to be a lot harder for me to straighten this out with all the tension being in this buckle right here, if that makes sense. Anyways, just wanted to explain that. That's why you would start with this, on this, sort of damage. You would always start down here where the most significant damage is. Alrighty, so final results. See, we got all the dents out. Turned out perfect. So anyways, my little Fender stand contraption worked really well. And I think I'm just going to keep this thing around because, you know, now I can repair Fenders. I mean, might have to rearrange the wood a little bit, but worked out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Subscribe for more stuff. I got a lot more stuff coming soon. So, see ya.